So let's say that I, Rachel, am standing away from Andrew, our news anchor. I am standing 12 feet away from Andrew. We are both standing away from the school. The length in feet from Andrew and I to the school is unknown, while the degrees at the school to Andrew and I is unknown, but the degrees that Andrew and I are standing at is 42 degrees for both sides. So first we're going to try and find the degrees from the school to Andrew and I. We'll be using this by doing the sum of angles. So first we add 42 plus 42, which is equal to 84. Since the triangle is equal to 180 degrees, we will subtract 84 from 180. This makes the degrees from the school to Andrew and I 96 degrees. Next, we will try and find the sides of the triangle by using the ratios. A over sine of A is equal to C over sine of C. The 42 degrees that I am standing at will be sine of A. The unknown is A, while 96 is sine of C and 12 is C. We'll put this into the equation. Since A is unknown, we'll leave it as A, but we'll use sine of 42 as sine of A, and C as C, 12 as C, and sine 96 as sine of C. We will simplify this by getting A by itself. By doing that, we will multiply sine of 42 to both sides. So A is equal to 12 sine of 96, sine of 42 over sine of 96. Put this in your calculator and you get A is equal to 8.07, which can be simplified to 8.1. So Andrew is 8.1 feet away from the school. Next, we have to find the other side of the triangle to see how far away Rachel is standing from the school. We'll be using the same ratio, but instead we'll use B over sine of B is equal to C over sine of C. B is unknown, but the sine of B is 42. And C is going to be 12, while sine of C is going to be 96. So we'll substitute this in just like we did for the other equation. Since B is unknown, we will leave B alone, but sine of B is going to be sine of 42, while C is going to be equal to 12, and sine of C is going to be equal to 96. Now we want to get B alone, so we'll do the same thing we did to the other equation and multiply both sides by sine of 42. So B is equal to 12 sine of 42 over sine of 96. Put this in your calculator just like before, and B will be equal to 8.07, which can be rounded up to 8.1. So, Rachel is standing 8.1 feet away from the school. Now, Andrew and Rachel are standing 12 feet away from each other, while 8.1 feet away from the school. Also, the school is 96 degrees away from Rachel and Andrew. Now, Rachel and Andrew are 8.1 feet away from the school, which was solved for A and B, and the school is 96 degrees from Rachel and Andrew, and we solved the angle at the top.